Hello traders, this is Dr. Zain Agha from zwinner.com. Today I'm going to show you a very simple way of trading Apple or any other stocks such as Amazon, Google, etc. And this is a very simple way of trading on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Now, if you don't have MetaTrader platform, then what you can do, download it from any broker who offers MetaTrader for 4. It's for free, and set up the chart according to how I'm going to show you today. And then what you can do, you can take the signals from the MetaTrader 4 platform and trade it on your platform, whichever platform you have. So first of all, we're going to open a 5-minute Apple chart. Okay, here is a 5 minutes Apple chart, and now I'm going to first of all put an indicator, which is the moving average, and we make it 200 period moving average, and exponential close, and give it yellow color and click OK. Now here is the 200 period moving average. Now the easiest way of trading it is we trade in the direction of the trend. The trend is going up, so we're going to only buy, we're not going to sell. So how would you know when the direction changes? As soon as you see the candles crossing above the 200 period moving average, that's giving you a buy signal, and you're going to buy, and I'm going to explain it to you. Now what you will do, you will also put another indicator. It's called RSI, Relative Strength Index, this one. So with RSI, you change the period 14 to period 8, close, and keep the color the same as you like, and levels, you have 30 and 70 levels. Change the color to yellow and click OK. Here is your RSI. Okay. Now the first thing we will do is we will see where is the 200 period moving average and where is the price going. So you can see the candles. This is going, it is above the 200 period moving average. So I will place a line here, and this is telling us to buy. Now to confirm, we need to look at the RSI. The RSI is going up, it's pointing up. That means the market is in an uptrend. It's giving you a signal to buy, but then the RSI goes down, then goes up. So it is like a oscillator going up and down. Now once we get the signal that the candles are above the 200 period moving average, we place an order at the open of the next candle, this candle. Okay, now where are we going to place the stop loss? Now one way of placing the stop loss is using the previous low, about 5 pips below the previous low, or you can use this parabolic SAR. Here is the parabolic SAR, that is stop and reverse. So it's going to give you dots in green color, lime color, and you say okay. Right. Now, so the other way of using the stop loss, placing the stop loss, is using the parabolic SAR, and below this you have a dot, and below this you have another dot. So what you're going to do, So we're going to put the stop loss below the previous parabolic SAR, which is here. Okay, so this is our entry and this is our stop loss, which gives us a risk of 28 points, 29 points. Now where are we going to take our profit? So we will continue, wait until we see the next parabolic SAR above the candle. At the moment they are all below the candles, and here this candle produces the parabolic SAR, which is on the top. So what we're going to do, we're going to exit at the close of this candle, and at the open of the new candle we will get out. So this is where we will get out as soon as you see the parabolic SAR. So what we have made a profit of 171 points, 171 points. Now we're waiting for our next trade. So we get another signal here to sell, and also we're getting signal at the RSI to sell, but we are not going to sell because all the candles are above the 200 period moving average. So we are going to only buy. So we are looking for a buy signal. Now the next parabolic SAR we get here, the dot. So it's here on this candle. So, and the RSI is confirming that the movement is an uptrend. So we're going to buy at the close of this candle and the open of this candle. This is where we're going to buy at 172.91, and we're going to place our stop loss below this parabolic SAR. Okay, so we are risking about 73 points. Now another way of taking profit is 1-to-1. So your risk is 73, so you need the profit of 73 as well. The market goes up, it comes back down, but it doesn't take us out. We are still in the trade, and then the market keeps going up. So what we're going to do, we're going to wait until we see where to exit. So at this point where you have this dot, we're going to close our trade at the open of this new candle, which is this one, which is this one, this green candle. Okay, so this was our entry and this was stop loss, this was our entry, and this was our take profit. So now we are making a profit of 75 points. Okay, and our stop loss was 79, 80, about 80 points. So you could have taken 80 points profit here also. Here you will get 80 points somewhere here on this candle. Okay, now we're looking for the next trade here. This is the next SAR, parabolic SAR. So we will buy here. So we will buy at the open of the next candle, this one, at 174.36, and we will place our stop loss a few pips of, we will place a stop loss a few pips below the SAR. Okay, so we are now risking about 77 points. Okay, so we are risking for 77 points, and then we will try to take 71 to 1, 77 points. It comes here, but you won't get it because you'll get stopped out here. But now, according to our parabolic SAR system, we enter the market here, and then we are going up and up and up, and here you get a signal to exit. So you will close your trade here, and you will make a loss of about 36 points. Okay, so this is the first loss you have. Then you're going to wait for the next signal. So next signal you get on this candle here. So you place your line here and go below, and you will see that the RSI is pointing up, is going up. So we buy at the open of this candle, and we place our stop loss below, a few points below the low of this SAR, and we continue until we see the next dot of the parabolic SAR. So we close our trade at the open of the next candle, which is this one, a little bit low. So we make a profit of 157 points. So this is how you trade. You continue trading the Apple or any other stock. If there's any question, please put in the comments, and I will answer your questions. Wish you all the best. So make sure to trade on the 5-minute time frame with the template that I will provide you. You can make the template yourself by going here and going to template, save template, and give it any name. Like I have given it name as stocks, and save. Once it's saved, then you can apply on any other new chart, CFD. Okay, for example, you have here soy commodities also. Right click and go to template and put stocks. So like for example, here you see the market going down. Here the market has gone down, has cut it, and you can go short here and continue until you see these dots, and you get out here, and you make about 92.5 points. This is on the 1 hour. You can change it to 15 minutes, or you can change it to 5 minutes. Then you have to trade accordingly. So the market is going up, so you will only buy, no selling, just buying whenever you find signal. Okay, wish you all the best. Take care and goodbye.